An explosive day 13 of the Trump trial in Manhattan.
Adult film actress Stormy Daniels took the stand detailing her alleged affair with the former president. Fox's Antoine Lewis is live outside the courthouse tonight with the details. Antoine?
Well, explosive is a very good way to describe what happened in court today. Now, we can also let you know that at one point, defense attorneys asked for a mistrial in this case. That request was denied because the defense attorneys felt that Stormy Daniels' testimony was just a little bit too explicit. Again, it was denied. She was allowed to continue, but what she had to say was a lot.
Adult film actress Stormy Daniels testified that it was her publicist who encouraged her to have dinner with Donald Trump while in Lake Tahoe in 2006 by saying what could possibly go wrong. That led to the alleged sexual encounter for which Daniels, whose birth name is Stephanie Clifford, was paid $130,000 by Trump's former fixer Michael Cohen to keep quiet about when Trump was running for president 10 years later. The funds used for that hush money payment is the basis of the trial. About their encounter, Daniels told the court that at one point she thought she had put herself in a bad situation, that she was neither drugged nor threatened, and that the sex was unprotected. Trump has repeatedly denied the encounter. On Tuesday, the former president again nearly violated his gag order with this post to his Truth Social platform, critical of Judge Merchan and the witnesses scheduled to testify that he didn't name. Trump deleted the post a short time later, but not before deriding the gag order from inside the courthouse.
The gag order is unconstitutional, which of course it is. The gag order is unconstitutional. So with all that's going on, they have no case. Every single legal scholar that I see, I mean, maybe there's somebody out there, some whack job, but for virtually everyone that I've seen has said there's absolutely no case. It's a case that shouldn't have been brought.
Trump rarely made eye contact with Daniels while she testified. She said Trump offered to get her on The Apprentice, but that never happened. She said she agreed to keep quiet and accept the hush money in October of 2016, just weeks before the November election.
And as you come back to us live, Judge Merchan also told prosecutors during the direct examination and the testimony of Stormy Daniels to move things along, not to stay too much in the mire, if you will, as far as the details go. She will be back on the stand Thursday. We're in Lower Manhattan. Back inside to you.